Hi, I'm Auntie Dawn. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm starting up a new jar of bouillon concentrate. So this doesn't come up very often because a jar of bouillon concentrate lasts a long time, but these little tabs on it are kind of annoying. If you just twist it, they're going to be knocking around the whole time you have the jar open. So I had a little box knife, put it down on the counter. What I'm going to do is slice along the top of the label. There we go, front and back. And now I'm going to slice along the outside of this circle. Okay, so now I can pull it off and it will come away cleanly. And I always write the initial of the kind of bouillon concentrate it is on top. The box knife lives right here on the fridge next to the twin pair of bottle openers, one on either side. So you don't have to wonder where the bottle opener is, no matter where the drink is when you open up at the door. I've got another trick with Better Than Boullion, but you might not like it. Some people are kind of grossed out by this drink, but if you like dragon soup, I bet you'll like this too. So I've got the beef Better Than Boullion concentrate, and I've got tomato juice, same kind I used in the dragon soup, low sodium stuff, so I could fit more of the bouillon concentrate in. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon of the beef bouillon concentrate into my cup. I've got one of those under counter things that works really well for loosening caps. All right, so about a teaspoon of this. Fill the cup about halfway with water. And now I'm going to microwave this for about a minute. Now that this is hot, I'm going to mix it up to make sure that the concentrate is completely dissolved. And now I'm going to add this veggie juice and a little tiny bit of Worcestershire sauce. Tiny bit of hot sauce. And some black pepper. Oh, it's so nice and warm. Mostly tomatoey, but a little bit of that beef underneath it. It's really nice. Even on a fairly warm day, it's not that hot, and it's just very warming and refreshing and filling. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. See you next time.